Are you seeing the Telegram message network error, bad gateway, and unable to connect to your chats? In this video, I'll show you several practical ways to fix the Telegram bad gateway error on Windows. We'll begin with quick solutions, then move on to proxy and VPN settings, and finally troubleshoot your network and DNS configuration. These steps are simple, safe, and can often restore Telegram access without reinstalling the app. If this guide helps you, take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more useful software troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, completely restart Telegram. Closing the window may not fully exit the application because Telegram can continue running in the background. Look at the system tray near the clock on the Windows taskbar. If you don't see Telegram immediately, click the arrow to show hidden icons. Right-click the Telegram icon and choose the option to quit or exit the application. Wait a few seconds, then launch Telegram again from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Check whether your messages load and whether the network error has disappeared. If restarting Telegram did not fix the problem, check the proxy settings. Open Telegram and click the menu button in the upper left corner. Select Settings, then choose Advanced. Look for the connection type option. If you are using a custom proxy, change the connection type to Default, which uses TCP, or select No Proxy if that option is available and you do not need a proxy connection. Custom proxy settings can become unavailable or misconfigured, which may cause Telegram to display a bad gateway error. After changing the setting, close and reopen Telegram, then test the connection again. The next thing to check is your VPN. VPN services can occasionally experience temporary server problems, routing issues, or connection drops. If a VPN is currently active, disconnect it temporarily and try opening Telegram again. If Telegram works without the VPN, the issue is probably related to the VPN server or its network route. You can try connecting to a different VPN location later or contact your VPN provider if the problem continues. If you are not using a VPN, you can simply move on to the next step. Now let's troubleshoot the network and DNS settings in Windows. Start by flushing the DNS cache. Click the Start button and search for Command Prompt. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the Administrator command prompt opens, type the following command, ipconfig/flushdns. In the actual command, use the standard / character after ipconfig, so it appears as ipconfig/flushdns without spaces between the command and its option. Press Enter and wait for Windows to confirm that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This removes outdated DNS information that may be preventing Telegram from reaching its servers. Next, reset the Windows network stack. In the same administrator command prompt window, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. After that command finishes, type netsh int ip reset and press Enter again. These commands repair and reset important Windows networking components. You may see several reset messages in the command prompt, and Windows will usually ask you to restart the computer before the changes take effect. Save any open work, restart your PC, and then open Telegram again. After restarting, check your internet connection in another application or browser. If other websites also fail to load, the issue may be with your router, internet service provider, or local network rather than Telegram itself. Restarting your router can sometimes help, but if the problem continues across multiple devices, contact your internet provider. If everything else works normally and only Telegram shows the error, wait a little while and try again, because Telegram's servers or a regional network route may be experiencing a temporary outage. To recap, first fully restart Telegram from the system tray, then check Settings, Advanced, and Connection Type and switch to Default TCP or No Proxy. Temporarily disconnect any VPN, flush the DNS cache with ipconfig/flushdns, and reset the network stack using netsh winsock reset and netsh int ip reset. Finally, restart your computer and test Telegram again. These fixes resolve many common causes of the Telegram network error bad gateway message without removing your chats or reinstalling the application. If this tutorial solved the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.